just kind of leaving it up here because I can't really look and record. Just commit to your punches. No, fix your stance. No, fix your stance. Fix your stance. Sometimes you just get too anxious to want to land that punch. But if you get caught in the middle of that, it's not gonna be good. Nice. Good slip and counter. How much you weigh, Bri? Very good. Alright, there you go. Way to control it. Good head movement, Brian. Good head movement. Good head movement. You got try to move your head a little more. Fix your stance. Yeah. So you get too anxious sometimes to land that. No, I'm talking Eric. That's it. Work the body. Both of you guys got to work the body more. Good job, Brian. Way to get down there. Hands up, B. Hands up. Way to counter that. Good. Break, 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 break. You alright? Yeah, watch out. You alright though? Alright. Go. Alright, break. One more round.